Alright, in this video I'm going to do the bolt, and the bolt is very similar to the standard nut, plus it has the shaft on the bolt there. So I'm going to start off with, once again, I'm going to bring my drawing down this way this time, so I'm going to start again with a rectangular prism. Hopefully it's more square on the edge there. So I'm going to draw in my V. I've drawn a bit of outer sequence there, so there's my V for it. That way and that way. I'm finding it a little bit difficult the way I'm working on this one this time, but we'll get there. So a vertical, and we'll do a vertical there, and same with there as in the height. So there, and that should be parallel to the last line down there. So our V here, oops, I missed that line there, and our inverted V as normal there. Okay, so that's the first part of the bolt head. So we're going to, don't forget it's hexagonal. So we've got our two lines there for our guide, for our flats at the top and the bottom, and our guide through here for our points as well. So we've got our shape developing there. So there's our hexagon shape, and we've got the bolt shape out here. So I'm going to finish off the head of the bolt as much as I can first. So as in the nut, I'm going to use that line as a guide, so I'm drawing this line parallel to that one parallel as well, for the point here parallel, and this one down here parallel. So I can, straight away we know that we can join up across the top there, so you can line that in so we can see what we're doing. Across the top, we can line in the front face of the bolt, but not all of it. So I'm going to go there, there, oh. I'm going to leave the bottom there because that part of the bolt's going to be coming out through here somewhere. So I'm going to leave that like that. And I can line that across there. We can also line that across there. The back edge of that there should be parallel with that there, and it should meet up. That there. And then use that line as a guide. Come back from the back point there, and that should be parallel there. So that's the head of the bolt largely. Okay, apart from those couple of faces, wedges here, we can't really do yet until we know where the rest of the bolt comes out. So I've got a circle going on here. I've got to go a little bit backhanded to what I'm used to doing. So I've got a circle going here. I'll get that started. Okay, oops, I'll try it again. Okay, that's about where the shaft of the bolt comes out, or the dowel. And we're going to use this line here still as a guide. I'm going to go from the top edge of that circle out here, bottom edge of the circle out here as well. So two lines that are parallel. Go a little backhanded again. Okay. Oops, there we go. I'll try that again. And that's probably the end of the bolt there. Okay, so there's our bolt dowel there. Okay, so line that in. That should go around. Follow that curve there. Oops, down the bottom. And draw in our shape on the end of the bolt there. Okay, so even if our guidelines aren't great, we can use that as a really good guide to lining in at the end. Okay, so line in the rest of that. Oops, come up to that point there. Down there. Across there. And we've got a thread on the end of the bolt. So that's a threaded section there, so we can just do some lines across here that kind of show that it's threaded as well. And there you go, we have our bolt. Okay, so let's label that. Okay, there you go.